Welcome to Mamata's Essence. Life is busy, either with your job or other household things, families, friends, society, and the list goes on. We feel happy when everything seems right, but we are rushing to accomplish this. This might not be helpful for your well being, so it is important to be mindful in whatever you are doing. Sometimes it is good to slow down, be mindful, and be active with all your five senses: smell, taste, touch, sight, and hearing. I'm starting my day with meditation, lighting up a candle and incense, taking time to watch and smell it. I love to eat a light breakfast. I'm having tea and cereal with bananas and cherries. I'm going for a long walk with my husband. Look at the woods. It's so beautiful. The birds are chirping, seeing the sun rays beaming into the wood, feeling the plants, which are so fresh. Winding paths are interesting. It is so calm and beautiful, even though the woods are full of nature's activities. Horses are trotting. I had a little picnic in the wood, and it's so relaxing. It is okay to be yourself. I climbed on the logs and trees. Look at the life cycles of the trees. Some are growing, some are dead fallen, and some dependent on others. Nature gives us so much. I'm collecting cones. Look at the wasp. He's feeling strange to the camera. It is mesmerizing watching all of this. We had a good time together walking in the nature. Wandering around the beautiful landscape. Flowers are blooming in different colors at various levels. It's organized so perfectly, it seems as if they were planted. We really enjoyed seeing trees that were surrounded by a beautiful like garden. Bees, birds, butterflies are so happy and busy doing their own activities. People are enjoying their work. looking up to the beautiful sky through the pine trees. It's amazing. I had a wonderful day and saw a lot of nature. We are home now and making brew. I love my garden. Knitting is becoming a favorite hobby. Nothing can beat homegrown vegetables. I have a small allotment where I enjoy gardening. I'm cooking a simple, cozy, and potato curry and serving with rice. I'm reading a book with a nice mug of mint tea before my bedtime.